One of the benefits of having your own business and having the honor of doing all these tests for you guys is that we also get the benefit of seeing what's performed well, and we're going to put our money where our mouth is and use these products on our new mobile detailing van. We had already applied NanoBond or NanoAge ceramic coating to this vehicle before I decided it would be a good idea to make a video about this, so you're just going to have to take my word for it. But the remainder of the video is more on the trim application. Since we have a ceramic glass coating test coming up, but we don't know yet how things will perform, I'm just going to choose a product that I have plenty of, which is Aquapel, since it came in a 6-pack when I bought it, and we'll only need 1 or 2 of them for that test coming up. The 3 products that we're going to be applying here: NanoBond 9Age, aka NanoAge, Malco Epic Revive New for the trim, and Aquapel Glass. Malco is one of the top 4 or 5 products in my trim test, and this is about my 3rd time using it on a vehicle. Previously in our shop, we've been primarily using Solution Finish, and my experience with Malco is that while it's easy to use, you may or may not need a second coat for the trim depending on how bad it is. In this instance, I'm just doing 1, but I think I'm going to go back and do a second one later, as you will see. I'm trying to get the trim as uniform as possible, and this vehicle, it's been in South Florida and South Carolina, so exposed to the salt air, the hot temperatures, warm temperatures, the intense sun. So it was faded. This vehicle's 5 years old. It's a 2016 Ford Transit 250. So with that said, we're also using the paint protection film using various types. We have S-Tech Dyno Carbon on the hood, and then on the front we have Premium Shield as well as the headlights, and then bits of 3M on the pillars and Expel as well. So we're going to see how those perform compared to each other, and we already kind of have an idea based on my PPF long-term testing, but again, putting our money where our mouth is. So I'll keep you guys posted every now and then on how things are holding up. This van does sit outside, and it is going to be used at least 5 days a week, so it will be quite busy. It'll be out experiencing all weather conditions, everything like that. So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you soon.